Now, we're almost certain that Samsung is working on a cheaper version of their flagship watches, which will be called the Galaxy Watch FE. The folks at Android Headlines has recently discovered the model numbers for an upcoming Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. The model numbers of the new smartwatch are SMR866F, SMR866U, SMR866N. The letters F, U, and N at the end of the model numbers represent global, US, and Korea respectively. While the model number tells us that the Galaxy Watch FE almost certainly exists, it doesn't tell us much about the watch. We don't know what sizes it'll come in or exactly what specs it'll offer, but we can expect them to be more modest than the Galaxy Watch 6 models, and more similar to the Galaxy Watch 4 because the similarity of the model number of the Watch 4, which is SMR860F. Samsung's Galaxy Watch FE is expected to be launched with all Watch 4's features alongside a budget-friendly price. The cheapest Galaxy Watch 6 model currently sells for $300, so it's possible that Samsung could target a $200 price for the fan edition, but only time will tell. According to a report by Korean publication The Elik, Samsung is planning to launch a fan edition version of its smartwatch during this summer. This release will likely coincide with the expected launch window of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, as well as the rumored Galaxy Fold FE. Of course, Samsung is also expected to launch the Galaxy Watch 7 for those looking for the most powerful specs and the latest features. And if you want to know what Samsung is planning for their transparent smartphone, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.